Is your Samsung tablet not turning on? Do not worry, we will explore the 5 methods to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the charger and cable. First, ensure your charger and cable are working correctly. Try using a different charger and cable, and see if your tablet starts charging. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. If your tablet is unresponsive, try performing a soft reset. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10–15 seconds. This can help restart the tablet and resolve minor software glitches. Step 3. Charge the tablet for a longer period. If the battery is completely drained, your tablet might need a longer time to charge before turning on. Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes to an hour and then try turning it on again. Step 4. Inspect the charging port. Sometimes, debris or dust can accumulate in the charging port, preventing proper connection. Use a flashlight to inspect the port and gently clean it with a soft brush or a toothpick. Step 5. Boot into safe mode. If a recently installed app is causing the problem, booting into safe mode can help. Press and hold the power button until you see the Samsung logo. Then release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button until the device finishes restarting. In safe mode, only pre-installed apps will run. If your tablet turns on, uninstall any recent apps that might be causing the issue. If your Samsung tablet still doesn't turn on after trying these methods, it might be a hardware issue, and you should contact Samsung support.